Hey vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I cut up these coconut to make some coconut drops. I'm going to make some coconut drops. So here I have my coconut. Of course, it has already been oxed and, taken out of the shell and washed, and I'm just going to cut it up. So I'm going to be joining two pieces. So let me cut off that little tiny piece right there first, and then join these two pieces, and then just gets to cutting. So you don't want to cut them too big. So if you have a cutting board, you use a cutting board, right? But for those of us who don't have a cutting board, so you see the size right there. For those of us who don't have a cutting board, don't worry. This is how we used to do it back in the days, right? We use our hand, hold the coconut in our hand, and then just cut just like that, right? So yeah, gets the cutting. If you don't have a board to put the coconut on, do not worry about it. Use what you have, do what you do what you got to do. But for those who have a board, for those who have a board, yes, just take your little board, put those coconuts. You can do 2, 3, 4 pieces at a time, join them together and gets to cutting. Yes, vibes, some very tedious, take a little bit of time, but guess what? The end result is gonna be every single thing. By the way, you can also cut up your coconut like this if you want to boil blend it in the blender just to get the coconut juice. So yeah, vibes Sam, look at the size, just showing you the size. So yes, vibes Sam, this is it, and here we have it, a bowl of coconut cut up to make some drops. So look at the size, not too big, not too small, medium is perfect. So yeah, vibes Sam, that is it. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, share my channel, share my videos. Thank you. God bless you.